is Nicholas Smith. I'm in grade 10 at the Call High School and I'm 15 years old. I created a website that housed all the relevant links and timetables that students needed to go about their daily lessons online. At the time of COVID, I was learning how to build websites, and after learning, I wanted to find something to practice on. So I built a website that housed all the links and the relevant information that students would need for classes. At the time, nobody knew that I had the ability to build a website. I contacted a guidance counselor at the school, and I said that I have a website and I would want the relevant information. So she supplied those to me. She sent the link to the vice principal. The vice principal reviewed it. He contacted me and said that he wanted a few more things on it. So I added those and I sent it back to him, and he gave it a go. I looked at the analytics because I had put that in there. And the next day, over 200 people were using it. I plan on starting my own.